So the next refractive condition of the eye that we will be talking about is myopia. Now, myopia in layman's term is called nearsightedness. In this condition, this is when a parallel rays of light that goes or incident on the eye with accommodation relax, with a crystalline lens relax, it will converge to a focal point that is in front of the retina. Now the last condition that we talked about was emetropia, wherein the light rays that enters the eye will focus on the retina. So it has its focal point on the retina. But in this case, for myopia, the focal point is found in front of the retina. So the image that will be produced by this condition is clear at near, but for far distance object, it will be blurry. Why blurry? Because if you extend, after the focal point, if you extend the light rays, okay, it will have not one focus but two. Okay, because there's two focus and not one, when it reaches the retina, the image will be stretched, blurry, cloudy. So that is what we call myopia or nearsightedness. So why is it at near it is clearer? So remember, the parallel rays of light comes from 20 feet. So if you move the object closer, it will also move the focal point farther from the crystalline lens and nearer to the retina. So that's the reason why a person that has myopia or myopic patients will be able to see near object clearer compared to the object which are farther. You might ask, ngano man, unsa may rason, what's the reason why this is happening? Now, the most common cause of myopia, I'm not saying it's the only one, but it's the most common. Okay? It is caused by the axial length, or we call it axial myopia. Now, the normal axial length of the eyeball is about 24 millimeters. Okay, 24 millimeters from the cornea to the retina. Now, if your axial length is longer, let's say about 26 millimeter, that means instead of that light rays focusing on the retina, because your eyeball is longer, it will now fall in front of the retina and not on the retina. So that's why most of nearsightedness or myopia are hereditary. If your parents have myopia, the tendency is the children will also have myopia because it is genetic. So if your parents have longer axial length, that means the children probably, not automatically, but probably will also have a longer axial length. As I've said, that is not the only reason why you develop myopia. It is one of the most common.